She's got tons of people who follow her. Push back with this arm. Okay, you can see this one. Push back with this one. Oh, big difference there. Hey, your left. It's always your right side.
It is always my right side.
Push back. Now's your.
I've learned with the MS that it attacks.
How's your neck doing?
It's sore.
Sore. So you tasting meddling, or was it?
It's.
Was it? What was the taste?
I'm going between awful smell of cigarettes and dog.
Oh, that's a new one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm like, why? It's like the two worst smells I can't stand. My brain decided that's what I'm gonna smell.
Yeah, right here is improving the muscle contraction. So we're gonna get this one. You can come in a little closer on this one, Darla. Right. There we go. Push back with your arm. Very good. Now we got signal back there.
Yay.
Now I'm gonna use this arm. Touch your hip, because that was bothering you before. Push back with your arm. See, it still gives out when I touch your hip. Take that hand, touch your jaw right here. Push. That doesn't help. Touch the side of your head. Push. That's better. Okay, so. I'm going to touch right here. Push back with your arm. The cranial fault. We're going to work on the cranials along here. So deep breath in while I squeeze here and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now we're going to do a little jaw. So once you open your mouth, there it goes. Woo. Good. Push back. There we go. Got that connection improved. Push back with this arm. Okay, weaker when I touch there, weaker when I touch there. So, yeah. So we're going to get this one. Here, get right up here, Darla. I'm sorry to make you bend over. There it goes. Every time right here. Okay, not so much on that one. Push back. Good. Push back again with the arm. Nice. Let me see this one. Push back towards me. I'm going to just check occiput. That's off. Touch right here. Get occiput on this side. Relax it. There. And then I'm going to tap this way. Push back with your arm. Way compressed. So I'm just going to double check. I'm going to push like this. Push back with your arm. Everything weakens out big time.
Yep.
Okay. So now go into these. There.
Ooh, that felt good.